Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jade, and today I am back with another crochet with me. I'm really starting to like making these because it's not as much pressure as a formal tutorial. So today's crochet with me is for an idea I had for a off-the-shoulder fur trim top. It came out so cute, and with all of that said, we might as well just jump right into the video. But before we do that, you know I gotta take care of the housekeeping. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and that you like this video. If you like this video, once you watch the whole thing, make sure you go down below and like this video and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Talk to me. I love talking to you guys. And now that all of that has been said, let's jump right into the crochet with me. Guys, don't mind my bonnet. I just finished some orders. It's literally like 2 o'clock in the morning. Let me show y'all because it really is like almost 2 o'clock. It is 1:42 in the morning, and as usual, the time I should be taking to rest and go to sleep, I get an idea and I really want to get started on it. Thankfully, I already bought the things that I needed for this idea because I kind of had it like sitting in the back of my mind. But now I just have all of this motivation to start it. So I might start it now. I don't know. But I'm going to show you what I need for it. So ignore the fact that my Christmas tree is up. It is December 31st, aka New Year's Eve. So I still have a few more days. Anyways, so I have some black yarn here. And I also bought this like glittery faux fur kind of thing, and I think I want to make like a tube top with the fur on the top, and I want to add sleeves to it as well and add fur on the sleeves. So yeah, that's where my head is at right now. Actually guys, I lied. I'm actually pretty tired now that I showed you guys all the stuff. I was so excited to show you guys all the stuff, and then I just immediately got exhausted. So I'll try this again tomorrow. So clearly by my change of scenery and my change of clothes, I did not start the top like I said I was going to in that last clip. So we're gonna start it today. To begin, I'm gonna start by drawing out my idea and kind of mapping everything out in my crochet journal. And then I'm gonna measure my body to get an estimate of how big the top needs to be. Please excuse all the background noise, but this is kind of what I want the top to look like. I am not the best drawer of clothing, so please don't come for me and my drawing, but this, I'm pretty sure you can get an idea of what my vision is by looking at this. Also, shameless plug, if you guys are interested in purchasing one of my crochet pattern journals, they're up on my Etsy shop and on my website. The links are in the description. So I'm going to be using this black worsted yarn from Hobby Lobby. It's the I Love This brand, or I Love This yarn brand of yarn. And then I'll also be using this for the fur trim at the top. It's the Yarn Bee Gilt Eyelash. So yeah, and I'll be using a 4mm crochet hook as well. So I made about 82 chains. I don't know if that'll be enough, but that's what we're gonna go with for like the first row, and then we're gonna try it on. Well, how do I keep saying we? And then I am going to try it on and see if 82 was the correct amount of stitches. Okay, so 82 stitches was not enough, but I'm going to start over and then I'm going to do 102 stitches, and I think 102 stitches is going to be the perfect amount. Surprise, surprise, 102 was a bit too big, so I'm gonna scale it back and we're gonna do 91. If I'm doing my math right, 91 stitches should do the trick. So we're gonna do 91 chains, and then I'm already losing my mind. I can't even finish my sentences. We're gonna chain 91 for 91 stitches, and hopefully that will be the perfect size. It's like 1,000 hours later, and I've now done about 22 rows. This is what we have. We just have a rectangle, and this is going to wrap around like so, and then I'll add the fluff on top and on the sleeves. So it is 10 o'clock, and I think I'm gonna get started on the sleeve. I'm gonna do about 30 stitches for the sleeve. If my math is correct, 30 stitches should be the perfect amount. And I'm just gonna be doing double crochets the same way I did the body. So yeah, I'm gonna double crochet all the way down to the elbow, and then once I get to the elbow, I'm gonna start decreasing by 1 stitch for every row until about the wrist area. I'm thinking about doing a bell sleeve. I'm not sure yet, or like a flared sleeve. I'm not entirely sure about that though. I think I might just keep it regular. So yeah, let's just get started. It is now 1 a.m. I finished the sleeve. It's about 20 inches long. I did 37 stitches for 18 rows, and then I did 1 decrease every other row for another 14 rows, and then I did 7 rows with no decreases. And this is the sleeve. I'm tired, y'all, but I have a little bit of energy left in me still, so I might start on the second sleeve. Yeah, my brain is just not is not here right now. It has left the building because it is 1 a.m. and I woke up at what, 7 a.m. today, so I am beat. But in better news, I did take notes, as terrible as these notes are, on this process. So there will be a pattern for it. By the time this video is up, the pattern should already be in the description. And I'm about to use the like 5% of energy I have left to start on the second sleeve, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I hope this isn't super hard to see, but I finished the sleeves. I did the body and I laced up the back. So now I'm just trying to estimate where I want to sew the sleeves on. I counted about 26 stitches from the back to estimate where I'm going to put the sleeves. So I'm going to start attaching the sleeves where these stitch markers are. And then I'm going to add the fur trim around the top and the ends of the sleeves, and we'll be done. Guys, this top came out so much better than I expected to, and I feel like I always say that because I usually doubt myself when I jump into making something that I created in my brain. But this top, get into it, get into the sparkles, get into the sleeves with the ends that are not woven in yet, but you're gonna mind your business, aren't you? You sure are. The back of the top is a lace up, of course. The ends are not woven in, and I also didn't have anyone to help me lace up the back, but the back is just a really tight laced up back so that you can wear a bra with it, because you know double crochet can be a little bit see-through, so I really wanted you to be able to wear a bra. I don't know what else to say. I just want to admire this top. So let's just all take a moment of silence to admire this creation.